What are you guys doing? You watching the birds? You guys watching the parakeets? Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at you. Who doesn't love kittens? Look at you. This is Gracie May, and this is Hiccup. Hello, handsome kitties. Hello. Oh yes, they're doing very well. No need to worry about them. They're happy kittens. Oh, you're trying to get me? Trying to get me? Oh, look at you. Look at you. Where's your ball? Where's your little ball? You go get that, Gracie. Get that. Yay, look at you. You're so tiny. So tiny. You guys tuckered yourself out in here already, didn't you? Yeah. Look at you. So they're doing fine. They're nice kids. I mean, I don't know of any kids that aren't nice, but we love having kids because they're so much fun. And when they're hungry at meal times, they mule. As soon as they hear the cart out with the canned food opening, you should hear the way they mule. Yes. You compete with Nikolai for the saddest kitten in the world, mule, huh? Yes. All right, guys.